Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a Fortnite thumbnail from a free resource on the internet and Canva. Let's get into it. So I just found this website called wallpapers.com, and I was typing into it a Fortnite image that I wanted. This creator and these creators put this up here to where it could be a free download if you put this URL in your video. So I'm going to give that a shot. Go into Canva. Canva is free. Now, some of the features that I'm going to use might be paid for, but me personally, Canva is dummy proof. I use it, and there's a lot of great features if you're not super well known with Photoshop, which I am not. So I'm going to set this image as the background after I drag it in. That's going to take the full size. Now, this is a cool thing that it's like Photoshop, but you don't need it to be Photoshop savvy. Go ahead and click edit on this photo, and we're going to do the magic grab. This is how we're going to get the text behind it. And so you can click on this character. I'm going to click on this gun, and we're going to click grab. Now, the title of the thumbnail for the video I'm going to do is "This player plays duos versus quads like nobody else has played before." Some sort of title like that. And so this image looks like a cracked player. And so what I want to do is, with a good thumbnail, we always have three things. It seems to be some sort of familiar object, some text, and a face. Now, in Fortnite, this face might be more recognizable than me, right? And so this face does two things. It's a familiar object, and it's a face. So now all we have to do is add text to it. So let's go ahead and we want the thumbnail and we want the title to work together. So I might even just put behind the person's head, victory or dominate, something that works with the title. Now, I grabbed this character because I want to be able to put the text behind it. Now, I'm going to make this white. People talk about colors all the time. I think white sticks out and it contrasts well with this blue. So let's go ahead and duplicate it. I think I'm going to make this black, give it a little bit of a lift. Boop. Grab this back. Send backwards. So you right click that, you click layer, and then you click send backwards. And then we're going to give this a little bit of a offset with my arrow keys. And I think that's good. All we had to do was go to that website, wallpapers.com. Wallpapers.com, we're going to credit this creator, which is insane, and then just put it in our description, our YouTube video. A little bit of text. We got our three things. We've got some text, we have a face, and we have a familiar object. Hope that helps you guys.